How to create a business account on the FuelBuddy app. In this video, we'll walk you through creating a business account on the FuelBuddy app. With a business account, you can keep track of individual business locations. Creating a business account. Tap on the profile picture on the top right-hand corner of the app. Select My Business from the menu. Tap Create a new business. Enter a business name and select business type from the drop-down menu. Choose whether the business is for delivery and enter the email address. You will also need to enter a PAN number and the GST number. Important note: ensure PAN number and GST number are correct. The app will prompt you with an error message if there are any mistakes. Adding users. Once your business account is created, you can add users to manage the account. Tap on the Manage Organization option for your business. Select Manage Users. You can add users' phone number and name. Designate whether the user will be an owner with full access to the wallet or user with spending limits. Inviting users. Once you've added user, you can invite them to join FuelBuddy through WhatsApp. The invited user will receive notifications to join and can be assigned roles and permissions once they accept.